The fitness and workout niche has always been one of the best niches on YouTube and social media. Fitness channels like this one can make thousands of dollars every month by creating workout tutorial videos. Take a look at the stats of this channel. It was created on October 11th, 2025, has uploaded 37 videos, and has more than 39 million views and 271,000 subscribers. Its estimated monthly income is between $419 and $6,700, while its estimated yearly income is between $9,700 and $156,000. In this video, we're going to use AI tools to create faceless workout videos. Stay with me until the end to see 3 videos that I created using this method. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button. To get started, go to the link I provided in the description and copy the prompt. Then go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and click the send button. ChatGPT will show you 10 different workout exercises. You can choose one of them. If the exercise you want isn't on the list, you can type its name instead, or you can send 0 to get another list of exercises. Next, ChatGPT will generate the video prompt for you. Copy the prompt and go to Google Flow, paste the prompt, switch to video mode, choose your preferred aspect ratio, select Omni Flash as the model, set the video duration to 10 seconds, and set the number of videos to 1. Finally, click Generate. Your video will be ready after a few seconds. Let's take a look at the result. Now let's watch 2 more videos that I created using the same method. With this method, you can create 3 free videos per day. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.